For most woodworking projects, you will need to invest your time and effort to sanding to make your project look great. Unless you love suffering, you will want to buy a Random Orbital Sander to make sanding more comfortable. Or you're thinking about the best Random Orbital Sander for woodworking? It's easy to find the best one for your woodwork. Random Orbital Sanders are very useful and necessary for sand or make smooth surfaces in any wood piece. Random Orbital Sanders can be used in many different ways, from removing an old layer of paint from your fence to restoring the transparency of car headlights. In woodworking projects, you will be using a Random Orbital Sander in preparing of the wood for an application of finish or furniture refinishing to remove old paint or a top coat. There are different types of sanders available in the market. Let's review the 5 best Random Orbital Sanders available on the market right now.
Hello there, we are the Top of Zone. We're a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products idea so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
What you will really like about Makita BO5041 3A Random Orbital Sander is that it has a variable speed control dial, which gives you a very spacious 4000 to 12,000 OPM range. This way you can use the sander on all kinds of rough and more delicate materials. It's a 5-inch Random Orbital Sander that looks great, feels fantastic to use, and comes with lots of useful features. This particular model comes with a rubberized handle and pump grip. The handle provides more control while standing at higher OPMs, and the rubber absorbs most of the vibration, giving more comfort to the user. If you need to stand in confined areas and against a wall, the handle can be very easily removed. Moreover, the machine is quite easy to use because it has a hook and loop quick change system for switching the abrasive discs. All in all, these features make it ideal for DIY or professional use. Every avid user of sanders knows that comfort and ease of use are important factors manufacturers consider. Amongst other things, the Bosch Power Tools Get 75 6N Orbital Sander meets all these requirements and goes a step higher to endear itself to your heart. It is arguably one of the few in the market that sports a 7.5 amp electric motor. This 6-inch Random Orbital Sander provides 2 modes of operation: Random Orbit mode for normal finishing work and Turbo Direct Drive Eccentric Orbit mode for very aggressive stock removal. Design-wise, it has a variable speed control knob that cycles through speeds of up to 7,300 OPM, thus giving you with enough flexibility. Plus, it will allow you to take on a variety of tasks from sanding your regular woodworking project to refinishing an entire deck without much hassle. Overall, for those who are in the market for a decent sander, the Bosch Orbital Sander is a superb option as it is packed with interesting features. DeWalt has a great reputation while it comes to producing high-quality tools, and DWE6423K is no exception to this rule. Its design and build is still very high quality. DeWalt DWE6423K 5-inch Random Orbital Sander is a variable speed and a powerful sander. There is a 3A motor that maximizes the sander speeds at 12,000 orbits per minute. Variable speed can be adjusted between 8,000 and 12,000 OPM. It's not a big tool as the user stays in close contact with the workpiece. There is a dust bag locking option that can be controlled from one touch. The full package adds DeWalt DWE6423K 5-inch Random Orbital Sander, a dust bag, owner's manual, and a carrying bag. Overall, the DeWalt DWE6423K Random Orbital Sander is highly recommended because of it being a very user-friendly and heavy-duty sander. The Bosch 5-inch pump Random Orbital Sander makes quick work of most DIY projects thanks to its ergonomic design, variable speed settings, and easy-to-replace sanding pads. The Orbital Sander from Bosch is a 2.5 amp mains powered sander that has many super features, adding variable sanding speed, advanced dust collector, and the hook and loop attachment system for simple attaching and removal of sanding pads. It enters with a variable speed control system that grants the sanding pad to spin at speeds ranging from as low as 7,500 OPM all the way up to 12,000 OPM. This means that you can alter the speed depending on the type of sanding work that you were doing. If you are sanding a very rough area and you want to take away as much of the rough surface as possible, then you can set the sanding speed to its highest level. Bosch has named it their microfilter system and states that it can filter dust particles as small as half micron in diameter. Overall, this sander is awesome for providing your work surfaces light and swirl-free detailed finishes. The BLACK+DECKER BDERO100 Random Orbital Sander is an electrically powered sander with a 5-inch sanding pad that gets you through your many sanding tasks with utmost ease. It is lightweight, somewhat compact, and comes with a 2 amp motor that makes it about 12,000 OPM. It has a random orbital action for a high removal rate and a high quality finish. This sander delivers a hook and loop system that makes the paper changing fast and easy. It has a dust scale switch that keeps all the dust and debris out. This extends the tool life. Its compact size brings the DIYers close to the work surface that affords them premium maneuverability. The full package of the sander adds a sanding sheet and a hybrid dust canister. Even the BLACK+DECKER delivers a 2-year limited manufacturer's warranty. It holds a lot of other important and unique features that make the sander fantastic. So the BLACK+DECKER BDERO100 Random Orbital Cordless Sander is one of the best cordless sanders you can buy.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.